Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Crypto Wiz here. I'm gonna give you guys some updates on Hashflare, Crypterra, and Bitconnect. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bells for more updates. And I'm not a financial advisor, so only invest you can afford to lose. Anyways, let's start with Hashflare. I did hear that this is very profitable mining. Now, the only thing about this is they did raise the terahash price. Instead of being 150, it's 220. You see, I'm gonna show y'all right now. They did raise the price up. But, 242, my bad. That's crazy though. But yeah, it's still profitable because Bitcoin is going up. It's on 16K again. It's gonna rise again. Yeah, like I said, y'all need to get into the mining because the mining is very profitable. Very profitable. The withdrawals is kind of a little iffy right now. I haven't gotten no new updates. I heard that you can only withdraw 0.05 Bitcoin, which is I think around like 6 or 500. I don't know, but it's crazy though. They only do that because I guess a lot of people are doing mining and then it's causing transactions, and as the Bitcoin goes up, you know, it makes the transfers kind of go a little slow. But no worries though, it's still profitable. Like I'm gonna still do it no matter what. This is on test mode, so I believe this is legit. They got a Twitter name, but that doesn't mean anything. They could disappear anytime. So this is why I say only invest what you can afford to lose. Because we got a whole lot of scammers out there. Anyways, let's go on to the next thing. Let's talk about Crypterra. This is a new one that I'm in. I'm in a new program. This one has a 2-year contract. I don't know if this is legit or not. I mean, I hope it is, because there's no really updates on this. Well, let's go with the pricing. So yeah, the little contracts they have, it's pretty legitimate. I mean, I love it. Now, if you was to invest $32, you'll get $410 profit, which is 2 years if you get the 250 gigahash. Now, if you get 3 terahash for $384, you will earn $4,920 profit, which is 2 years. But if you get the 15 terahash, you invested 19-2000, you could get $24,600. It's very good. I like it. They do have a little discount for a little Christmas. I think it's supposed to end soon. But yeah, get into this one too. This one's really good. But just be aware that I don't know if this is legit or not. I hope it is, because this is the new program that I'm in. I'm kind of new to this. Now, let's check Bitconnect. I got some sad news for Texas. They're not allowing Texas to do this because they didn't obey the rules. If you don't obey, there's consequences. So if you're in Texas, my advice to y'all is use a VPN. Change the location so that way you could get in. Anyways, Bitconnect, I like this one. This one is a pretty good. I have an investment of, show you my active investment. I invested 400, and this is how much I earned it ever since then. I earned it about $1,525.20. This one is a really good program to join. I wouldn't say this is a Ponzi scheme. I don't think it isn't. But let's go with the voluntary software interest. Let's say you did $100 to $1,000 investment. This is the voluntary you'll get. We're going to check on that right now. Just give it a couple minutes. Sorry that my laptop is slow. I'm using the mobile Wi-Fi. Yeah. So right now, look at that. It's pretty good. 0.1%, 0.81%, 1.51%, 0.40%, 1.2%, 27%, 0.82%. This is a really, really good. They're not guaranteed what you can make. So this is how much you'll make per day, depending on which one you pick. But my advice to y'all is, if you try to get a faster capital release, there's a whole lot of capital releases that people have. People invested like 10 grand to 100,000. Cause that's how many days you have, and then it's gonna be released. But this is really good though. I love this program a lot. So if I was y'all, get into this and do it. Cause I'm telling you, it's beautiful. Well, that is all for today. I will have some new updates on the programs every Friday. And don't forget, when I get a whole lot of subs, let's say 1,000. When I get 1,000 subs, I'm going to do some Bitcoin giveaway. I want to give back because a lot of people are, they helping me, I'm helping them. You feel me? But anyways, I will catch y'all in the next video. So I'll talk to y'all later. All right, later.